Hey, Brian here again, Cars in Tillsonburg. I don't know where you guys are at, but where we are in Tillsonburg here, we're out in the sunshine July day, and you know what? For you Celsius people, it's 32 degrees Celsius. For us old guys that can understand, it's what, 95 degrees in the sun. Wow, it's hot. So what better thing to do on a hot day, but maybe take a look at a cool car. So what we have here is one that we're gonna have on the lot for sale here. We just brought it on board. It's a 1969 Marina Blue Camaro. This thing is a well put together car. It's a big block car. I'm going to show you the VIN number. We had a series once before on the VIN, so we decoded the VIN a bit here. Take a look under that hood. That makes the pulse beat right there. Like, this is supreme. It would have come out with a 427 4¼ horse, not from the factory, but they made some what they call COPO cars, corporate office production order cars. This was originally a V8 car. These cars never came with the factory installed 427. But what we've decoded the VIN plate on the firewall here. We talked about this before, so you can see on the VIN plate here this X44 code is a standard body car that they basically used as a platform. Yenko built some, Baldwin Motion I think built some, but anyway, it was a basic car. This is not a COPO car. This is just a well put together tribute to that car. It is a 454, and it's a 4¼ horse 454, 500 foot-pounds of torque. They put the Winters Foundry intake on it, and as you can see, all the period correct add-ons are on the hoses, the carburetor. It's got power disc brakes on it, and power steering. Usually these cars didn't come with that, but this one has it on it. Many new parts on this car. It's got the steel cowl induction hood on it. The attention on this car was put towards making it period correct and making it one of those cars that was highly sought after by the performance guys. Body color, steel wheels, 7-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. It has a 373 12-bolt rear end in it, positive rear end. Look at the interior. It's your basic. Now this is what blows people away, because most cars came with a console and a horseshoe shifter on the floor. As you can see, this one's basic. Bucket seat interior, no console, automatic on the comb. Again, a lot of attention to detail here. What else have we got? We got the spoiler. Perfect, a really nice paint job, new bumpers, dual exhaust. The list just goes on and on and on and on. But this car is really a nice driving car. And we'll start up here so you can hear this. This is the sound that everybody wanted to hear. Now that makes the blood, I don't know who you are out there, but you know what? This just makes the blood just pump. These cars were, they were a drive-in queen. Like, if you had one of these cruising around, you would get a lot of attention at the drive-in. Look at the body. It is straight as an arrow. Professional paint job. Well done all the way through. Like I say, we could stand here and go on and on about all the new parts on this car, but you know what? It's going to be on our website, so if you want to check our website, we'll have a lot of pictures on there and some, close-ups and some really technical details if you're looking for it. So we just wanted to show you what it was like and maybe give you a little sound, okay? So if you like what we do, like us on Facebook.